throughout our career. And cliche siya minsan sa sinasabi namin kasi thank you so much, pero never ending yung pagiging pasasalamat namin sa kanila kasi sila naman yung pinakaunang rason kung bakit nandito kami ngayon, other than our families. But, in reality, sila talaga yung nagpupush sa amin kaya bakit nakakapag-chart yung kanta namin. And we've been here for like almost 7 years, and then like they are still here. That's why we're just so grateful and thankful, and from the bottom of our hearts, hindi namin talaga ma-explain yung pagiging sobrang laki ng pasasalamat namin sa kanila. That's why maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. We just want to say that we love you guys so much. I hope you stay there. We hope we stay stronger than ever. There's gonna be a lot of struggles ahead. Madaming walls, madaming obstacles na kailangan natin lagpasan in the future, but I believe na when we're together, kayang-kaya natin lagpasan yan.
Kasama na si JC.
18.
Yes, sir. Very well spoken. Maraming salamat.
Spokesperson po ako talaga.
Anyone else would like to add? Meron bang gusto
Hindi, gusto ko yung sagot ni Ken. Sobra ako. Galing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kasi pag soft-spoken at matipid sa salita yung tao, pag finally nag-open up, iba yung impact.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Grabe yan mag-open.
Pero circling back to the 18, palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo, guys.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your incredible support sa P-Pop, sa SB19, sa Wish, sa OPM in general, and to the 18 na mga nakikinig ngayon on the road. If you're not driving, you can clap your hands too for yourselves. Maraming salamat. We are gonna keep you company.